How to use Nova on Photon. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, for us to get this done, the first thing that we are going to do is head over here to Photon, and afterwards, once you're signed in, just go ahead and try to type here, click the trade on nova.io, and you should be seeing something like this. Now, we're just going to go ahead and just download this for Chrome right now, and you can go ahead and install this extension. This extension is not really the one that we are going to need, and I'm going to go ahead and explain to you in a few moments. So this is the extension. If I'm going to go ahead and click this, you should be able to see here there's a new version, and we should download that one. So I'm going to head over there. And here I'm just going to remove this from Chrome because we're not going to be needing that one. And then from here you have the option to download the extension. So just go ahead and click that, and it's basically just going to download that for you. I've already downloaded mine earlier, and the next thing that we're going to do is installing that one. So you can head over here, and basically you are going to extract this particular file somewhere in your computer. In my case, I've extracted this one in my PC, and then we're gonna head over to the extension here. So this is where we're gonna be doing it. So from here, you're gonna turn on the developer mode, which is usually toggled off, just like so. Click this one, and then click load unpacked. Next, you should be able to see here Nova. Make sure it is selected. You can go ahead and just click that one over there, and then click the select folder. Once you've entered that one, you should be able to see it here, and make sure it is turned on. Go ahead and refresh this one, and we are good to go. Now, another thing that we are going to do is make sure to pin it, so you should be able to see it here, and then we can go ahead and close this. Yeah, this time what we are going to do in order to make this work is head over to Nova, and then you can go ahead and enable it here. If you're gonna head over to, say for example, Photon, you really won't be able to enable this one. You're gonna have to head over to Nova's website and then enable it from here, just like so. And what's gonna happen is now you should be able to basically use it. So you have the presets by amount here, and then the preset sell amounts. You should be able to configure all these. And that, everybody, is how you are going to use Nova on Photon.